Hello guys, that is the Tower Bridge. The water is brown because it's raining. That's the view. I'll show you around. Hello, say hello. That's Kylie, that's Freya, and that's Papa. We're here. Tower Bridge. Oh, there's sometimes that one will gonna open. Pag may dadaan na barko, open yung blue sa baba na yun. Mag-open. Yeah, if there's a ferry, will come. Oh, that's the warship. Look at the big ship there. There. Oh, diba?
Water park.
Ang ganda. There's no water park. That is the London River. Wait, I will video 3 minutes. Yan, ang ganda, diba? Ayun yung maliliit na bangka. Ayun ang maliliit na bangka. Madumi ang tubig dahil katatapos umulan. Ayan, ayun naman yung malaking ship. Ayan, pag dumaan yan, at dadaan sa Tower Bridge is mag-o-open yung blue na yon. Mag-o-open yan pag dadaan siya. Ayan. Ang daming tao. Tignan natin mga tao. Ayan ang mga tao. Ayan, buti na lang huminto yung ulan. Doon sa kabila, doon sa kabila, doon sa may bus na yon, yan ang London Bridge. Yun ang tunay na London Bridge. Ito ang London Bridge at yung bilog na building is, where's the big, yan. Yan ang itlog ng London. Nandyan ang BBC. Yung nagla-live sa BBC. Yan ang itlog ng London. Dahil may Eye of London, hindi makikita yung Eye of London dito. Ayan. Ang ganda-ganda. O, diba? Gusto niyang pumunta dito sa London Bridge is falling down? Ayan, ang London Bridge is falling down. Doon ang London Bridge. Ayan ang London Bridge. Pero hindi siya nag-falling down. Ayan, mayroon siyang dumarating na barko. Ferry. Wow, that's a small one. But if it's big, it will open. Kung malaki sana yan, i-open nila yun. Ay, natunog! Pranking your papa. We're gonna drop her phone. Ayan. Ayan guys, thank you for watching.